How to use delta to your advantage in options trading. Ever seen that number called delta when the options chain and wondered what it really means? Most traders see it as just a Greek, but smart traders, they use it to predict price moves, manage probabilities, and even control risk. In this video, I'm breaking down exactly how to use delta to your advantage so you can trade options like a strategist, not a gambler. But before we jump in, make sure you download our free options cheat sheet over at ITeachStocks.com. You'll get a breakdown of all the Greeks, including delta, and how to use them in real trades. Do not trade blind, okay? All right, so what is delta really? Delta measures how much an options price will move for every $1 move in the underlying stock. So if a call option has a delta of 50 cents and the stock moves up $1, your option gains 50 cents in premium. Simple, right? But here's what and where it gets real interesting. 1. Use delta to predict probability. One overlooked secret. Delta acts as a rough probability guide. A 30-cent delta call, roughly a 30% chance it finishes in the money by expiration. A 70-cent delta put, about a 70% of finishing in the money. That's huge when you're selecting strikes, especially for income strategies like credit spreads or selling options. 2. Use delta to control exposure. Delta helps you manage directional risk. Let's say you own 3 contracts of a 50-cent delta call. That gives you a net delta of $1.50, which is like holding 150 shares of stock. Now you can scale in or out of trades with precision instead of guessing how much exposure you really have. 3. Use delta in spreads. In multi-leg strategies like vertical spreads or iron condors, matching deltas helps you balance the risk and reward. Want a neutral play? Aim for close deltas on both sides. Want to tilt bullish or bearish? Offset your deltas strategically to guide your directional bias. Here's a pro tip. Delta is not static. Delta changes as price moves. That's called gamma. But don't worry, we'll hit that in a future video. For now, just remember, as you get closer to expiration, delta becomes more aggressive. Keep that in mind when trading weekly options, okay? So, the next time you're looking at the options chain, don't just look at the price, look at the delta as well. It tells you the probability, the profit potential, and the risk exposure all in one number. Want help applying this in real trades in a private chat? Grab our free daily newsletter at ITeachStocks.com. We'll send out setups, market breakdowns, and live examples showing how to use Greeks like delta the right way and share why we're taking certain things. If this video helped you, smash that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment. What's your go-to delta when picking your options trade? Thanks for watching. Now go trade smart and stay in the green. You guys have a blessed one. Catch me on the next one. Beast mode out.